comes to installing your pellet stoves, we all know that not all installations are standard. Not every stove is going to be the same size from the starter collar to the termination cap. Sometimes people will remove a wood stove and they'll put a pellet stove in the same spot. Well, you've got this pre-existing chimney. What do you do in a situation like that? Well, DuraVent makes a part like this. This is actually an increaser where it goes from pellet vent on this side to DVL black pipe that goes into your chimney into the pre-existing system that you have there. That allows you to utilize a chimney you already have. Now, this product comes in 4 sizes. It does come from 3 to 6, 4 to 6. It also comes in 3 to 8 and 4 to 8. Now, this particular product does allow you to use a chimney you already have, but we strongly recommend that you check with your stove manufacturer. They're the ones that are going to have to approve you getting into a chimney of that larger diameter that's above the 3 or 4 that most stoves take.